finally had some time around to working on the TSX. So what I'm doing is changing the armrest. I took this one off the other car, so that one was fairly clean, not damaged. So I'm going to install this, and then one of these days I'm going to get around to installing that. But for right now, lift this up, take these two screws out, and then I could pop this off. So since this is the messed up one, when I took this off, I took everything with it. So I want to do that. I'm just going to take the cover off. Ah, great. Crap. It broke. So now I'm going to have to do it the hard way. See right there, it's supposed to pop the clip off because I have the back loose. Supposed to work it up like that, but it broke. So clip here broke, this one broke, and right here was a problem. So looks like I will end up doing it the hard way. I mean, I could just put it back together and not care, but nope, do it right. In the corner, there's these little openings where you could just pry. So this will help you take off the cover in the back without damaging it. So when you take it off, you have these two Phillips right here and these two 10s. Then you should be able to take the whole unit out. So I took out all the screws, the two 10s down here. There was one Phillips in here, another Phillips here, and one over here. So now the whole unit should be able to just come off. What is holding it now? Oh, there's two more Phillips right here, right here, right here. Forgot all about those. So once you take those two screws out at the top, there you go. The whole unit comes out. Now just gotta grab this one. And just install it like we took off the other one. So everything's back on, tightened up, and there you go. Everything's working. Now I just gotta put on this final cover, and I have one less damaged part on this car. Still gotta fix the seat and the door panel.